If you've ever scrolled through those online chat groups, the ones dedicated to social anxiety, Gen Z problems, the whole I'd rather disappear than socialize vibe, you'll see one thing pop up again and again: making friends. It's like the ultimate fear. It's right up there with public speaking and accidentally replying all to a company-wide email. But it doesn't have to be that way. Because here's the thing, you don't have to worry about making friends. Seriously.
You're a social animal. Even if you're the type who prefers their own company, there's a part of you, deep down, that craves connection. It's a survival thing. We're tribal. We're built to be around our own kind. And get this, instead of making your anxiety worse, that instinct can actually work for you. Let's break it down. So consider this step number 1. You gotta be around people. Obvious, right? But this is important because we're talking real-life friends, not online avatars. Online friends are great, but they're not gonna magically appear in your living room. So, how do you do it? Everyone says, join a book club, volunteer at an animal shelter. Sure, if you love reading and kittens, go for it. But let's be real. You might get stuck talking about Agatha Christie with someone who owns 48 cats. No, you need to find your people. What are you passionate about? What lights you up? If you're obsessed with home-roasted Yemeni coffee, find the local spot where the coffee freaks hang out. Go there! You won't have to try that hard to make conversation. You'll have something in common with everyone in the room. It's not just about meeting people, it's about meeting your people. When you're around people with a shared passion, the likelihood of making new friends is higher. Now on to step 2. Be willing to introduce yourself. That's it. It's the meet cute of making friends. Don't overthink it. Just stick out your hand, say your name. If you are an overthinker, we have an article for that too, but seriously, just say hi. And finally, step 3. Just let things play out and see what happens. Seriously, that's it. Roll with it. You can't force this. It's like dating, but with less pressure. Just be yourself. Let the awkward pauses happen. Maybe you'll click. Maybe you'll realize they say period of time too much and you can't be friends. The point is, just be there. Remove the roadblocks, let it unfold. You might make a friend. You definitely won't if you don't try. Now I know you've got questions, so let's tackle a few. How do you find your people? The internet. For once, it's your friend. Search for your passions. Meetup, Facebook, Instagram, and don't forget Eventbrite. It's great for finding local groups. Offline, it's the same idea. Find your crowd, introduce yourself. Be present, be patient. And what about feeling awkward? Don't even worry about it. Everyone feels awkward. Nobody's a pro at life. If someone makes it worse, they're probably not your people anyway. Look, making friends isn't always easy, but it's worth it. You're wired for it. Go find your people, be yourself, and see what happens. You might just surprise yourself.